This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by determining the floor material and the paint type. That guides solvent choice. Put on gloves, eye protection, and a respirator if using strong solvents, then tape off surrounding areas. Once done with protection, test your chosen solvent or remover on a small hidden spot for 10 minutes to confirm it won't harm the finish. If the test is safe, apply a thin layer of remover to a small area and let it sit until the paint softens. Once the paint softens, work methodically in small sections so residue doesn't dry again. You should use a plastic scraper at a shallow angle to lift softened paint. Metal scrapers only on durable surfaces. If paint resists, apply low heat from a heat gun at a safe distance or reapply solvent, wait, then scrape. Make sure to wipe away loosened paint with clean rags and a little mineral spirits when appropriate, changing rags often to avoid spreading residue back onto the floor. You finish by thoroughly cleaning the area. Wash with a mild detergent solution to remove solvent traces, then rinse and dry. If the grain or finish is dulled on wood, lightly sand with fine grit and refinish or apply a sealant to protect the surface. If a paint stain persists in a porous floor, create a poultice with an appropriate absorbent and solvent, let it pull the stain, then remove. If uncertain at any point, make sure to consult a professional to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.